Guys, welcome back to Baked Baking. I'm not baked because I'm driving, but we will be. We're just at the grocery store because obviously we have to get some stuff. Yeah, if you guys don't go to the grocery store, go to the fucking grocery store and start meal prepping. That's my tip of the day. I am not doing tips today. We're just gonna hang out. We're gonna make a good recipe. It is, well, we're gonna make like haystack cookies or protein balls or something protein snack-ish together while we just have a chat. So we're gonna go into the grocery store, get some things that we need, and then meet you all baked and caked in the kitchen. Let's go. I feel like I have overdosed. Are my eyes red? Guys, welcome to the kitchen. We have baked and now we're baking, kind of. These are like non-baked cookies and I've never really made them. So like I'm kind of nervous, but we'll figure it out together. Both of us, all of us. Here's our ingredients. So, do you want me to run you through them? We have protein. So all we care about is protein, oats, coconut, which I looked at the recipe and I don't actually think there's even coconut in it, but I forgot. So we have coconut now. Chocolate chips, soy milk, coconut sugar, cocoa powder, peanut butter, all coconut oil and vanilla. So I think I have to, well, I have a recipe because I don't know. I don't think I can do this myself. So what do we need? In a medium saucepan, combine coconut oil, sugar, milk, cocoa powder, and cook until the oil has melted. Got it. You guys got it? Let's go. Do we have like updates for them? I feel like we should have updates. Oh, well, we already know that the crop hoodie is coming out, but if you guys don't have it in your calendars, you should. Oh, the girl that won. Oh my God. Okay, this is funny. So I'm just like sitting on the couch, like working, and this girl Lyric messages me and she's like, oh my God, like when are you doing the giveaway? Like when are you picking the winner for the giveaway? And I was like, oh, like I'm doing it in a bit. I just like honestly just got back from the gym. Like I just needed to like get back into working. And so I did it and I was like, oh my God, when the thing stopped, it literally stopped at her name. And I was like, and she's like, well, when she messaged me, she's like, I've been manifesting it, like all this stuff. And I was like, oh my God, like I actually didn't even know what to say. I was like, do I post this right away? Like, do I Snapchat her? Like, what the fuck do I do? It's so funny because, I don't know, I feel like I know a lot of girls, like, just from the group, like, personally now. It's so cool. Yeah, let's do this. We are guessing. If you guys need to know anything about, like, cooking substitutes, I know stuff about cooking substitutes. Oh my God, why is this not opening? Like, for example, if you were using like butter or something or margarine, instead, if you wanted to make it vegan, you can just use like oil. There's your cooking hack of the day. I had someone on TikTok and she was like, oh, like, or was it on TikTok? Maybe it was on YouTube. I don't know, but she was like, oh my God, are you bringing back like the baked baking series? And I was like, well, yeah, now that you said something, I have to. You know what you guys should do is comment your favorite treats that you like to eat. And then maybe I should try to make them vegan, you know? And healthy and high protein. 'Cause yum. You guys know that the only reason that I get my nails done is so my cooking videos aren't awful. It's literally the only reason. Oh, I don't actually think I'm supposed to put these in yet. Oh my god, that was close. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm so making this up. It's an actual thing though. Like, I have a recipe for it. I'm just like really not looking at the recipe at all. I am going off pure experience. So if these actually work out, hire me. I don't know for what, but you should make lifted headbands. They're just bomb when your hair is greasy and you don't know what to do with it, and just put a headband in. Saves my life. I don't think you're supposed to put chocolate chips, but you know. Who doesn't want extra chocolate? You're also not supposed to put coconut, but I feel like coconut would actually be really good in it. So we're putting coconut. Guys, I go to San Diego in like 3 days for the last lifted trip. If you guys don't know what the lifted trips are, they are, okay, so when I started lifted, I was like, how cool would it be? Because everyone really wanted to like meet up and gym and like smoke and stuff. I was like, how cool would it be to plan like an all girls lifted trip and just like all go to like a giant mansion with like pools and just like, oh, like it's almost like a big girls trip, but we're all like stoner gym rats. So it's like, we all get along. It's like a great weekend. We all just like eat, go to the gym, smoke weed, like we just chill, but like you don't even have to smoke. It's such a vibe. It's just like, yeah, I'm so excited. And it's the last one. So that's sad, but it's exciting because just bigger things are coming, you know? Anyways, we are putting protein in right now. I wish I had more chocolate protein, but the vanilla is still really good. And we have chocolate back here. Just make sure I don't burn it. I'm gonna do 2, I think. Guys, we're moving in like, oh my god, like a week or something. It's so crazy. I'm excited, honestly. Okay, like when I got this apartment, like I love it, don't get me wrong, but when I got it, I literally just didn't think James was gonna move in right away. And then James moved in and like, we literally like, guys, it's small. Like honestly, like after probably about 6 months is like when I started like bulk ordering clothing and stuff of us even being in this apartment. And like, once you start bulk ordering and you're like getting all these boxes and you're like, oh, where the fuck am I gonna put these? So it's just been like crazy with having like everything in this little place. So it's gonna be so nice to just have a bigger place and like, yeah, have a kitchen. Well, we have a kitchen, but like have like a different kitchen, like a new kitchen. You guys won't see me in the same kitchen every single time. I'm so excited. Be in a different kitchen together. Yeah, I might burn this, so I should watch it. I feel like I need more oats. Honestly, I can't wait to like hang out with a bunch of like stoner girls and just like do this kind of stuff. It just looks like chocolate cookies almost. Oh my god, we should put like chocolate chips on top of them. Oh, I love this. See, like if we make them kind of like that, and we can just put chocolate on them like this. Just in the freezer. Wait, should we cook them? No, you can't really cook them. It's just like oil and stuff. You just kind of freeze them. Wait, do you fridge them? I don't know. I think you said put them in the fridge. This is gonna be great because We just had a bunch of edibles. So like in an hour, we're gonna be like munchies times 10. And these will be good. You know? I'm just telling you what I'm doing. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Do whatever you like to do. Look at how cute they are. They're kind of ugly, but I think that's why they're called haystack cookies. Like they're supposed to be ugly. Whoa. Where am I gonna put them? This tastes like chocolate. Bomb. Welcome to the first podcast. I'm just kidding. Honestly, I just got too lifted, you guys. And I was trying to like do these exercises like I'm doing all the like alternate exercises on the app, like the substitutes. I'm almost done. But then I was like, I just want to sit and talk shit. Like, let's just spill the tea, you know? Not that I really have any tea to spill, but we're gonna spill the tea. The other day I saw this girl on Instagram and what did she do? Oh, she literally says like, oh, I wish I remembered her Instagram name. But she's like, oh, like fly to outer space with me and she'll just like take an edible and then just like talk you through the experience. Like what she's like, now I'm in space. And it's like actually really entertaining to watch. Obviously, I'm just killing time until I can eat these cookies because I want a cookie. And we've got like an hour. Well, maybe it's half an hour now. So let's go through some of the Facebook posts. Because the Facebook posts are actually pretty bomb. I don't know if you guys are in the Facebook group yet. I feel like I keep telling you guys to go in the Facebook group. But it's for a good reason. Like this Facebook group is like the shit. Like it is awesome. Like girls are posting their transformations. Girls are also like just asking questions. Literally, this girl is just like, what dry shampoo do you guys recommend? Like I'm going to the gym 5 days a week. Washing my hair every day has been really drying my hair out. Like, yo, if this isn't a girls group, I don't know what is. And there's memes. There's tons of memes. It's so funny. I feel like, okay, it was so cool because I was on one of the trips and one of the girls was like, the only reason that I go on Facebook is for this Facebook group because you just get everything answered on here. But then you also just like get a laugh and it's like entertaining. I actually should talk to you guys about this because I talk a lot about like routines and stuff. I feel like I am getting more into routine now. So for a while, like I feel like lately I've just been like out of routine. Like I'm kind of going to the gym whenever I want. And like, you know what was really crazy was just like vlogging for 2 weeks straight. Was it 2 weeks? It was like 2 weeks. I mean, we're still vlogging like crazy. And I feel like I just don't think that anyone understands like the amount of effort that goes into like videos. Like if you think about it, like the vlogs take hours to film and then editing and then like all the other stuff. It just is so much, you guys. I love it. Like, honestly, I think it's like just so fun, but it does throw off your routine because you're kind of like, hey, when am I going to film? Where am I going to film? Like, you know, your workout is a little bit different. So I'd like to get into like, I don't want to be really strict about my routine because I don't want to like, I don't know, just like overthink it. Like sometimes you can get really strict and then like if you miss like your morning coffee, then you're like the worst person for the rest of the day. Like I think it's fine to miss stuff sometimes, but I think it's nice to like just build a bit of a routine and I don't know which days I'm filming, know which days I'm like editing, know which days I'm baked baking. Just all of the above. Yeah, so I just want to figure out like that sort of routine. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to go finish these exercises and then we're going to eat a cookie together because these are going to be bomb, I think. You know, when you get to that point of like like you're just kind of high and you're just like, you just want sunglasses because everything's just bright and you just want to chill. I'm there. That's where I am right now. Anyways, I'll see you guys with a cookie in a little bit. Hi guys. I finished all the exercises, so we're here to try a cookie. Let's just hope that they're like kind of hard. They actually look kind of bomb. We'll see. It's like not bad. It's not my best work, but it's not that bad. You know what? I think it's the protein. Maybe it's because I didn't get a chocolate chip. No. Like, guys, it's great. Like, I'm gonna eat it, but I have to say it's not my best work, you know? Here's the thing. I can't not be honest with you guys. Like, honestly, if I said that this was, like, awesome, like, it's good. You know what I would do? Let me tell you what I would do differently, because that way I can put it in the app. Like, I can retry it, put it in the app, make sure it's all good for you guys. I think I would add, like, actually, it's kind of tasting better now that I taste the peanut butter. It almost tastes like, you know what it tastes like? Holy shit, did you guys ever have those, the cereal, like the Reese's cereal? Yo, that's this, because it's like chocolate and peanut butter. Now that I think about it that way, it's actually kind of good. So, I don't know if it's app worthy. I'll maybe eat the rest of them and then I'll see. But yeah. Yo, it's actually pretty good. You just have to keep eating it. We're back. They're actually really good. Like, they're actually really bomb. It was so weird. It was like, I don't know. I think I was just overthinking it. But honestly, they taste like, almost like dough, like cookie dough or something. It's bomb. Like, I could eat this whole tray right now. So good. I don't know if it's the edible. Could be the edible. But yeah. It was so good. That's it. That's all, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next vlog. I really honestly feel like this is like a little sweats photo shoot, you know? Oh my god, all the girls tagging me in all the sweats, like the lounge sets. So cute. I'm so excited for the next drop. I'm leaving. Bye, guys.